Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to switch out the memory inside of your laptop. Right now I have a HP G56 laptop running Pentium dual core, I think at 2 point something gigahertz. And don't quote me on that. Or 2.5 or 7 I think gigahertz. Um, right now it has a uh, 1 gigabyte memory stick running Windows 7. I want to switch out the memory because that memory is giving some issues. So I'll show you how you're able to take out the memory and how you'll be able to put in the memory. So first things first, before you even decide on opening your laptop, you need to keep in mind that if you open your laptop, any warranty that you have on that laptop will be made void. So you won't be able to get it repaired by HP or Dell or Lenovo, whoever your distributor is. You won't be able to get that um, warranty in place. Well, if it's void. So keep in mind that once you open this, your warranty will be void depending on the stipulations of the warranty. Secondly, you should turn your laptop over to the back because that's where the memory is. Alright, first things first, you'll notice that you have different sections with screws that look like they can be removed. First things first, remove the battery. Always remove the battery out of the laptop before opening it. That way, there's no chance of any current running through the laptop. Secondly, you want to locate the area where the memory is. Now, you have some little indications onto the back of the laptop that will tell you what is where, right? Now, right here, I'm gonna open it so you can see. Open them. I give you a little tug. Alright, that's where the memory is. First thing you do when switching out a memory or any component in your laptop device, try to get yourself grounded. So if you have a metallic surface, try to rub your hands on the metallic surface, like right here. Whatever hand you're going to use. In this case, I'm going to use both hands. Right, so let's get a fan for me. So try to get that static reduced on yourself. Secondly, you'll notice that you have little clips that hold in the memory, right? One here and one here. Alright, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna basically just pull them back, and then the laptop will basically flick out like that. Touch the end of the memory. Let's put this down on a safe surface, and then you're flicking the new memory. That's basically it. Now you're having a new memory, right? And simple 1, 2, 3. You just close it up back. And that is how you switch out the memory in your laptop. So hope this was a helpful video to you. If you liked it, click a like, share it, comment if you'd like more information. And just for our added bonus information, this also applies if the memory goes bad in your laptop. But going back to the warranty, if it goes bad, then you can use your warranty to get that replaced and everything will be alright. But in case if the warranty is up on your laptop, then you can use this, you can do this, follow the same step to switch out the bad memory and get in the new memory. I might do a video on bad memory, so just keep your eyes out for that one. I'll just have to look for a bad memory stick and put it in, and then we'll start from there. But normally with bad memories, you hear a beeping sound, a sequence of beeping, so you know it's bad memory. I won't go into details of it because I don't want to make this video too much on bad memory, but rather the the exchanging of memory from slots, switching out memory, basically. I want to keep that to be the main focus of this video. So thank you for watching this video. Continue to support my channel. I'll try as much to put on new content as quickly as possible, with work and everything. So thank you.